Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn basic subtraction. 2 minus 1 equals 2. Now give me the answer. So, now we take 2 strawberries and eat 1. So how many strawberry is left? 1 strawberry. Yes, you are correct. So the answer is 1. 3 minus 1 is equals 2. Give me the answer. So, now we have 3 stars, and 1 star is lost. So how many stars are left? Yes, we have 2 stars are left. 4 minus 2 is equals 2. So, we have 4 cupcakes, and 2 cupcakes are eaten. So how many cupcakes are left? Yes, correct. We have 2 cupcakes are left. 5 minus 2 is equals 2. Now we see 5 butterflies, and 2 are fly away. So, how many butterflies are left? Yes, correct. 3 butterflies are left. 4 minus 1 is equals 2. We have 4 balls, and 1 is lost. So how many balls are left? Yes, we have 3 balls are left. 5 minus 3 is equals 2. Now we have 5 donuts, and 3 donuts are eaten. So how many donuts are left? Yes, you are correct. We have 2 donuts are left. 6 minus 3 is equals 2. Now we take 6 ice creams, and 3 are eaten. So how many are left? Yes, 3 ice creams are left. 5 minus 1 is equals 2. Now we have 5 chocolates, and 1 is eaten. So how many chocolates are left? Yes, we have 4 chocolates are left. 6 minus 2 is equals 2. Now we take 6 lollipops, and 2 are eaten. So how many lollipops are left? Correct, there are 4 lollipops are left. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.